Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Anamika here and today I am here with a very interesting video. So I got my hands on few products for skincare and even it's a brand new launch, and I really wanted to talk about these products because I have been seeing all the influencers talking about these products and I just couldn't resist myself from ordering them. So here I have some new products by Himaira, and this is the brand. I really love the name Himaira. It is very luxurious and it's an Indian brand. So these are the products which came in. Actually it was well wrapped, but then I have taken it out and I've been using these from some time now. So let me tell you guys what I have in here. So this is my first product in here. As you can see, it's a face wash and the product looks so luxurious in itself. I really like how the packaging looks like. It's transparent so you can actually see what's inside and how much quantity is there. So that is very thoughtful of the brand, and it's the 24 karat gold face wash. It has gold dust in it and it looks super luxurious as well. And the next product I have is the Hydra Bomb. This is the product I was talking about. I have been seeing a lot of influencers talking about this, so I really wanted to get my hands on this as it is summer and I was looking for some good skincare. So this is what I came across to, and this is how it looks from inside. This is how the packaging looks like. It's a glass bottle and it has a normal white cap, but I really like this detailing going on. Hydro Bomb instant hydration. So this is going to give you hydration in no time. Trust me, I have been using this and I love the smell as well. So this is how it looks. It's a gel and it is super soothing for this summer. And the next product I have here is the BB Mousse, and you can see how beautifully it is color coded, and I absolutely love it how this looks, and even it is very buttery soft. I'm going to do the in-depth review. Till then, let me just show you the packaging, and this is how it looks from inside. It's a very beautiful sleek tube. You can carry it anywhere, and yeah, it's really nice. It has this kind of tip. You can use it very easily, having to worry about spilling or anything. So I really like the packaging, very thoughtful. And yeah, you have all the details at the back. The name is written over here, and really like this baby because I can carry this anywhere in my purse. So that was it for the packaging. Now let me just do the in-depth review and the demo for you guys. But before that, I would like to talk about few more details. So Himaira is actually an Indian brand, and not only it is an Indian brand, but they made sure the formulation of the product and everything is customized for Indian skin, to even the climate. And now, as you guys already know, it's a made in India brand, but it is very beautifully created for all of our skin, like for the weather, as I said, and it is done all under the supervision of the experts. And it is vegan, recyclable packaging, plus it is Indian, as you guys already know. It has no chemicals and it is not even tested on animals. So I absolutely say it's a yay for me. And to be very honest, we should be proud of the brands which is coming up, especially made in India, and they are doing so much good and putting so much and lot of efforts to their products, packaging and everything. I feel the products are very luxurious and chic looking, which really got my attention towards the products, and I really wanted to try it out. So let's talk about the face wash first, and as you guys have already seen the packaging, this is their Himaira's 24 karat gold face wash, and I was amazed by how gold reflex would look like in person. So I got my hands on this product. Plus I read all the important ingredients and everything, and I had to try this because I have come to know a lot about it and I am going to just convey it to you guys, so it will be easy for you to pick and choose your product. So firstly, Himaira's 24 karat gold face wash is very gentle on the skin, and as you are seeing me apply, I have taken way too much of face wash and applied at once, as I had to show you guys how the texture looks like and how actually the gold particle would look like. But then you need a very small quantity of this face wash and it will lather up super amazingly. See, it is not drying at all. It has a very silky smooth buttery texture. Even after the wash, I felt there was no skin tugging, no dryness, no nothing at all. So guys, now let us see what is there in Himaira 24 karat gold face wash. So it has anti-inflammatory properties in it and it effectively reduces fine lines, dark spots and any kind of pigmentation. See, it has 24 karat gold flakes. Even reduces if you have any kind of sunburn or any kind of tanning going on. And it has rose water, rose hip and even niacinamide, which actually makes your skin looks very hydrated, gives your skin nourishment. And what I have seen, it leaves my skin looking very hydrated, plump and even very supple. And I always use this in my morning and even on the nighttime routine. So that was it for the face wash. Now let's talk about the Hydro Bomb. So as you have seen, this has a very beautiful pink, blush pink sort of color and it has a wonderful fragrance which really makes you feel very fresh. So I apply this 2 times in a day and you can see it is a very gel-like finish. It has a very blendable consistency. It just absorbs into your skin and makes your skin super hydrated. As the name suggests, instant hydration. It does give you that. Now talking about the ingredients of this product, it has oatmeal, niacinamide and even hyaluronic acid, and even it contains witch hazel extract. So it gives you a complete intense hydration as it suggests, as the name, and it is super absorbing and it soothes down the skin. It makes it look very nice and plump, and I love how this has given me a very good hydration, especially being a oily skin person. I always choose and pick my products very carefully, so this is one of the product which you can definitely try if you have oily skin. And even I think it has hydration and all the good kind of acids and even extracts which will even work for any other skin types as well. So go and get your hands on this. And the next product we are going to talk about, the BB Mousse by Himaira, and you can see the packaging is super classy and even the product is very smooth and blendable. It did apply very smoothly on my face and even it had melt into my skin and gave me a very beautiful look. It was looking very radiant. If you want, you can even apply a little bit concealer with this. This can be your go-to kind of BB cream. It even have SPF of 15, which is amazing. Like having some sort of SPF in your makeup products is even amazing. It is a makeup and even a skincare essential. So I would like to tell you guys that do apply a little bit of sunscreen because that is very important, and then go ahead with this. If you want, you can even cover up the blemishes a little bit with a concealer, otherwise you don't really need anything. As you can see, my skin has only this, and I have set my T-zone area with a compact powder, a little bit of blush. I have filled in my brows, my kajal is there, and a lipstick. So that is it you need if you're going for college and even work. And now I'm going to give you the idea of the MRP of all these products. So the face wash is 299 rupees. The MRP is. The BB Mousse is 549 rupees for 30 ml of product. Plus the Hydro Bomb is 549 rupees for 50 grams of product. Now honestly speaking, these products has some kind of fragrance and it is not going to irritate you or anything. It is very soothing and mild. Generally I prefer having no fragrance in my skincare, but if something is very soothing and calming, really works for me. So I think the fragrance and all the scents which it has is very mild and soothing as well. So guys, I hope I have talked about all the major points, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and that is it. And if you are looking for links to all the products, check out in the description box, and if you get your hands on the products, do let me know in the comments as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and even subscribe to my channel. See you in my next one pretty soon. Till then, take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.